Hello, I am glad to be back and I am going to record this video so you have some instruction of what we want to do now, what we want to learn, trying to learn something during this time. I hope that you had a good spring break, that you rested and you were safe. And I sure hope that we can see each other soon because I really miss your faces. I'm going to start with this video. This is what we're going to learn. We're going to learn about numbers. So in this, let me see what I did. I'm going to try to go over this and explain you what I want you to learn. So I'm going to go to the first column. The first column, oh, sorry, I'm new with this. Okay, this is the first column. Okay, the first column is yellow, amarillo. And in the first column, I had the numbers from 1 to 10. And this is the list of numbers that when you ask somebody, hey, you know how to count in Spanish? And they say, oh, yeah, I know. Es 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pretty much everybody knows that. And if you don't know it, here it is. So you can learn it. That's our first. Now, let's erase that one because that's the easy one. And we're going to do the next one. So for the next one, and let's see if we have that's the smallest pen I have. Okay, so the second one is this one right here. Okay, it's the light blue one, azul. And in this column, I put the numbers from 11 to 20. So in this one, you have these numbers. Oh no, let's see, what is that one? So I put them intentionally in front of the other one, in front of this one. So you can see the difference and the similarities between the numbers. Okay? So you can see that this one, yeah, that's Bella. Okay, I'm gonna pause a minute. All right, let's try to continue. So Bella went a little crazy there. Okay, so I was trying to show you that in this one, and it went too far right there. You see, we had DSE, and in all of them, you see that it starts with the same one, but then you add the one for the first column, the yellow column. So that's how you do these numbers from 11 to 20. And then these ones, yeah, they don't look very similar. Kind of, sort of, but not really, right? So we just need to learn them. Okay, let's move to the next one. So for the next column, we had the numbers from 21 to 30. So in the numbers from 21 to 30, you see this word 20, it ends in E, right? But for this one, you're going to use that same word ending in I, and then you add the number from the yellow column. So 21, 22, 23. Oh, this one needs a correction. Let's fix this. Just 1 minute. Because that one is 23. So we have it correct. Okay, so let's go back to the pen. Okay. And 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So you add that number and then you get to 30. Once you get to 30, it changes. We have 1, 2, and 3 words instead of only one, like in the previous column. So this is basically you get the number that is here in 30, and then you add the number from the column, the yellow column. But then you also add this letter right here. Oops. This letter right here. Oh, okay. Did you see the letter? Sorry about that. It's very difficult to do this with a mouse. It was easy when I had the smartboard. Okay. So this letter here sounds E and means and. and you're gonna add that in the middle, and then you add the numbers from your first column right here, the yellow one, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get to 40. And Miss Bass didn't put more numbers here. Why didn't Miss Bass put more numbers there? Well, guys, thanks for asking. Because all the other numbers are gonna go like this. They're gonna go like this. So that means you're gonna have 40, and then you add y uno. And then 40 y dos. 40 y tres. 44. And so on until you get to 50. Once you get to 50, you're going to do the same. 51, 52, 50, and so on until you get to 60. And that's how you finish doing your numbers until you get to number 100. Okay? If you already got this part, and if you didn't, you can just go back to the video and look again, or you can email me and ask me, no problem. But let's go to the plan. So the plan should be right here. This is the plan that I'm posting, and this is what you are learning. So you're gonna learn the numbers from 1 to 100. Your video, the one that I'm recording right now, is gonna be right here. So you probably just need to click where it says here, and it's gonna open the video. And this is just a note about what we're doing. This, when you click here, you're going to see this that I made for you. So it's easier for you to understand and to see it, and you have access to it. So you don't have to go back to the video all the time. And then here you have your assignment. So in your assignment, you're going to use this color-coded number chart, and then you are going to figure out how to say these numbers. It says that you are going to copy the numbers and paste in the text box below and write the answer in front of the numbers with the different color highlight. So what you do is you select it from here, and then you copy it, and then when you push the button here that says submit, it's going to show the text entry box like we have been doing the other activities. Those who have done it, you know what I'm talking about. Those who haven't, you can contact me and ask me. But what you do is you paste it right there. So it's going to show a box like the one that I'm going to show you right now. That is where I put the assignments. So your box is going to be like this. So you paste your numbers like I did this. You can either, to answer this one, let's say 48. Oh, I gave you the answer. But you can either select it and make it a different color for the text, so it is not black but it's red, or you can select it and leave the same color, but you're gonna highlight. So you highlight it, and that's how you're going to respond and give me your answers. Do not forget to press there's gonna be a submit button down here somewhere. I don't know where, but down here there's, I can show you now that I think about it. Yes. So you're gonna submit it on Canvas. It has to be submitted. I am going to check. This is not a graded assignment, but I'm gonna check. And if you did it right, I'm just going to say good job, and you won't have any comment. But if you have a mistake, I'm going to give you some feedback so you can correct it and you can still learn this stuff. Let's go to how you're going to see this. Yes, because I actually have the way that you are going to see. You see? So this is your page, and this is where you're going to find it. So if you click right here, hey, excuse me. If you click right here, well, it's locked, but it's going to show you the assignment right here. And then you see how you submit it. Okay? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be waiting for your responses. You have a good day, stay safe, and we'll stay in touch, okay? See you later.